Okay squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be using the Keratin Activated Charcoal Scalp Scrub. This company on Instagram sent me their charcoal scalp scrub. I've used their deep conditioning system and their wash day system. Love their products. As you can see in previous videos, it works well for my low porosity hair. So now I'm going to be using their activated charcoal scalp scrub. So this scalp scrub has coconut oil, peppermint oil, activated charcoal, no parabens or sulfates, no sodium chloride for intense detoxification. Ooh, that peppermint mixed with charcoal is heaven. The smell reminds me of the face soap that I use because I use a charcoal and tea tree oil soap, but I love the smell. It's this minty fresh smell, if you get what I mean. Okay, so like they say, healthy hair starts at the roots. I always stress about that. It does start from the root. That's why I'm excited to use this scalp scrub, because I take care of my scalp. I have dry scalp, so I have to go extra hard about taking care of my scalp, and that is why I'm excited to use this scalp scrub. Me personally, I think it's best to use on dirty hair. This is very good for exfoliating your scalp. Clean, healthy scalp, that's very important. So I'm just gonna be applying this scalp scrub into sections. Whew. That feels good. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing it on dirty hair, but I'm gonna be using warm water in this bottle to spray, get my hair a little damp.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Also, you can use their scalp massage brush to massage your scalp and make it work better. So this is also from the company Keratin.
It's not a game.
Alright, so I'm done applying the scalp scrub everywhere, all 4 sections. I'm just gonna try to put it up together in a ponytail. Ooh. This scalp scrub can also be used as a shampoo. After using this scalp scrub, you don't have to use shampoo. If you want to use a shampoo, you can, but you don't have to use a shampoo. You can just go ahead and use a conditioner after washing out this scalp scrub. So the scalp scrub, I'm just gonna be leaving it on for 20 minutes. This scalp scrub you can use every other week, depending on how your scalp is feeling. If your scalp is feeling like really dry and in need of exfoliation, like I mentioned early in the video, take care of your scalp because that's where your hair growth starts. So scalp scrubs are always good to use. This charcoal scalp scrub feels really good on my hair. Not gonna lie, you could feel that peppermint tingly feeling on my scalp. I could feel it working, and that's what my scalp needs. It naturally exfoliates your scalp, removing product buildups, impurities, and dead skin cells. If you want to try the Keratin charcoal scalp scrub, I'm gonna leave all information down below in my description box. You can go check them out. And also to follow up, after washing out the scalp scrub, I'm going to be using their Keratin refreshing shampoo and conditioner. If you want to use the whole line, that would be good, you know, just using one brand product. If you want to do a deep conditioning treatment after washing out the scalp scrub, using the shampoo and conditioner, you know, for your ends, because deep conditioning treatment moisturizes your hair, make your hair feel alive and healthy. You can go ahead and check out their Keratin refreshing mask. This is good, very good as well. I have videos on these products that I'm showing you, the shampoo, conditioner. That's a wash day video. I'll leave the link down below, and also the deep conditioning video, I'm gonna leave the link down below as well, so you can go check them out. And after you're done with everything, deep conditioning your hair, after the scalp is clean, you can go ahead and moisturize your scalp with their Keratin nourishing oil. So as for me, I'm gonna be doing like a whole self-care, like, you know, washing my hair, taking care of my hair, do a mask, relax, and go ahead with my day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, like this video, make that thumbs up blue, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.